Hellcat Slick, man. You sitting on the couch right now and you still haven't subscribed to your boy Hellcat Slick and Ghost, man. What are you doing? You keep saying you're gonna subscribe next time, next week, next month, and you still haven't done it yet. You're probably sitting on your phone right now watching this video, you still haven't subscribed. Let me help you out. Click this button right here, hit that subscribe button so you can support the movement, support the grind, see what's going on, man. It's not that hard. Dang.
Good morning, YouTube, baby. What's going on, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Gonna bring y'all another banger video, man. Y'all can see where I'm at right now. I'm at the service department of what is it called? Clay Cooling, man. Early in the morning. Finally had time to come out here and drop the Hellcat off to get that. You know, Hellcats, they have a recall with it, so I finally had time to come up here, drop it off, and be without the Hellcat for a few days, man. So. It's a bittersweet moment getting it fixed, but I ain't gonna be able to drive the Hellcat for about 3 days. And so this is a good event. Get this done before the YouTubers call out. I had to get this done real quick. So also, man, y'all see my boy Hellcat Migo over there, man. Y'all see him. They ain't gonna let me walk over there and see the car, man. But yeah, we definitely up here getting this work done, man. Definitely. Any Hellcat between 15 and 18 or 19, they have a recall on it. Yeah, they have a recall on it or whatever, so a little Cadillac converter recall or whatever, man. So ain't nothing too major. So man, but it's like I said, man, gonna hit that like button, gonna hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, subscribe button, and drop a comment, man. If you ain't know this, now you know. Yeah, but it's the only recall they got on the car. So all right, man, so we got that Hellcat dropped off. Also getting a little bit more work done on as well, man. I was riding back from the H, man, and my ABS light came on. Y'all already know the problem from last video. Same problem on this one, bro. I don't know what it is, what they got going on, or what could it be, bro. Like every time I hit the gas, light come on. So you know we gotta get that fixed, bro, because I can't be out here rolling, hitting my gas, and yeah, bro. So right, I'm already at the dealership. They ain't got no rental cars, so gotta call me a lift or whatever. So I'm gonna flip this camera. I'm gonna show y'all some of these cars that got up right here, man. And I got this one right here in front of me. That joint is lit. No, I did not know this was a wide body, bro. Wide body thing. They need to let me go to, man. They talking about they ain't got no rental cars, man. Look at this. Let me go to work in a wide body kit, man. Let me go, what is it, 2020 with 19,000 miles on it. Yeah. This thing gotta be at least about 42. If not 35, bro. But look, man, y'all peep the wide body, bro. That thing there ain't got no sunroof. This probably the hardest one they got out here, bro. Scat pack, wide body, black. Man, y'all look at this thing, man. Definitely gotta give me one of those. Got the Chrysler 300 right here. The V6 Charger, I mean. Like I said, they really ain't got nothing out here. I wonder if they sell offices open. I gotta hurry up and shoot this. Okay, we got a scat pack. But I feel like I ain't seen a Challenger scat pack in so long. Feel like I ain't seen this thing hard right here too, bro. Real hard. Black, the black GT thing. Another one. Oh, the SRT 392. Big Brembo brakes, bro. Y'all see this? With the SRT seats, automatic, no roof. This is a steal. How much they had? They ain't even got the price up there, bro. But this is a SRT. They don't even make these things no more. Oh, somebody need to come up here and buy that joint, bro. That hoe is hard. That's crazy. They don't even make them things no more. Man, they could have gave me one of these cars out here, man, as a rental. Talking about that rental line. Like, dang. Dang, it was crazy. Like I said, man, it's the hardest one out here, bro. This car is a steal. Between this one and that SRT down there, these two are the steal, bro. Look at the inside, in case y'all want to see that joint. It's a little dirty right there, but y'all see the cloth seats, man. It's whatever, you know. Continental. What he riding on? What is that, 275? Oh, 305s. Let me see something. That's what I was telling my dad. Them things on 305s, and he ain't seen one in person. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna turn this camera back on once I get back to pick up the car. So let me see if I can do this. I'm trying to. YouTube, baby, man, we back up here at the shop, finna pick up that Hellcat real quick. Also, we finna see what they was talking about, man. So, finna bring y'all this information real quick, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, baby, I ain't got my baby back. I'm gonna give y'all the 411. The hell? Bro, not. Come on. Come on. Why are my flow lights on, fam? Like, come on, bruh. I did not drop my car off. I did not drop my car off with the flow lights on. I should have tracked my miles, bruh. My car smell bad. Hey, man, I got this at a little gas station in the middle of nowhere, bro. This joint be hitting. This besides the point, though. I'm back in the Hellcat. Engine light off. They got my tire right.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Wait, he gave me the key, right? Man, I ain't driving no Hellcat with no black key. What is that? Nah, for real though. Say, man, we back in the cat, man. On for real. I'm gonna walk y'all through this joint once let me pull up to the crib real quick, and I'm gonna walk y'all through this, bro. I'm gonna help y'all understand Hellcat Problems 101. They really try to hit me over my head, bro, with the car. So, y'all know, like I said, my car won't start. Why did, you know how they send you, I should have took a screenshot of it, but I didn't. So they sent me a thing online saying all the things wrong with the car. Obviously, it's the brakes. What the shit? That was metal. With the brakes, and I need brake changes. Things say I need rotors changed. I'm like, yeah, alright. So, anyways, the total came out to like 3,300, bro. Like, these big piston, 6-piston brakes pads cost $600, bro. The rotors, the parts and labor just for the brakes pads to get them joints changed was like $9 something. To get my what I just got, what I need to get fixed, my ABS module that keeps coming on, that's $982. I don't know if that's parts and labor. I just know it was $982. And what else they got on there? The rotors. So that's 18. So I'm assuming rotors another 12 to 1800 to give me 33, bro. Out of that 3,300 right there, man, your boy can go to get a widebody kit on the car from Dodge. What are they thinking? Brakes and just an ABS module? So you know I'm a mechanic, bro, not fools with it, bro. But I don't know, bro. It's electric system. And he told me if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna F it up. So I'm like, do it by myself, like, But I mean, nobody on the tube done it, so that gives me even more reasons to do it. But I need to let my windows down, bro. It's, you know, like, it smells bad, bro. For real, I'm gonna get y'all when I get back to the house real quick, bro, cause y'all ain't ready to hit me over this wind. All right. Boy, I've been hitting this gas and this light ain't coming on. Your boy Hellcat Slick is back. I'm back in this thing. You look, YouTubers call out, I'm here. You want some of this smoke? I'm here. Get at me. If you want to get at me, tell your lady to contact me. Yes. Man, you better get this Porsche out the way. You don't want nothing smoke either, bro. I will smoke you. Get at me. Hellcat Slick is back. I'm back in this thing. I'm back at it like a crack addict that ain't got no daddy. And it don't make sense, but yeah, it rhymes. Like I do all the time. You heard me? But yeah, man, your boy is excited. I'm back in this thing, man. Back. Oh, bro, the car would be gone 2 days. 2 days, bro. Bro, my boy been out this Hellcat for 4 months, man. Moment of silence for him. I couldn't do it. I would have 4 months, bro. I don't know what's wrong with Buddy car, bro. But out my Hellcat for 4 months, and you still got to pay car note and insurance on it. Yeah, that's for the birds. That's for the birds. I wouldn't have took my car up there. If I ain't riding in that joint, I'm at least gonna go sit in it. I'm at least gonna sit in that joint until I get the bread to pay for that joint, because boy, what? I am not gonna be out with my Hellcat, bro. That's out of there. I couldn't do it. Shoot, the only way I can get through it, maybe with my car gone that long, I gotta watch all my YouTube videos, just so I can hear that whine. But man, we finna go over this mod, man. I'm finna pull in right quick. I'm finna run this down to y'all real quick, bro. Lace y'all up on some information. Lace y'all up on some Hellcat Charger Challenger knowledge, bro. Just in case they start doing recalls on this car, your boy Hellcat Slick was the first one to tell y'all about it. I need new brakes, but these brakes still stop though. You see what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, I gotta let this car run a while because it smells like ass. Alright, so we gonna, let me see if I can cut the light on. Let me see. Alright, so pretty much I'm gonna let y'all know everything I got done on the car or whatever, right? So I dropped, so y'all know my car wouldn't start, obviously. That's why I first went there in the beginning. So I also got the Cadillac converter recall that's on all Chargers from, I don't know if it's all Hellcats, but I know it's all Chargers from 15 to 20. So I got that taken care of, free 99. Don't make sure you gonna get that done, man, before they cancel that joint, because when I scheduled it, it didn't pop up in the system, but they knew. So go on and get that joint done, taken care of. Also, secondly, bro, I'm gonna give y'all a run. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but these brakes, 6-piston brakes, y'all already know. You already know, man. So make sure y'all get that done as well, bro. So 6-piston brakes, they big. They cost $6,000. The brake pads, labor, parts, and all that. The parts, I quoted the parts at like 627, 630 or whatever, right? From Dodge. So labor, tack on another $300, so that's $900, bro. Brake job easy, bro. Like, I really can do the brake job on my Hellcat and save myself. What am I saving? If I pay $600 for the brakes, I'm saving $300. So that's a plus right there. But I know this. Well, I know I can get some brake packs, MOE Mopar brakes, 6-piston for $327 on the low. So I'm really saving about $6 something. So yeah. And then also, if y'all need y'all help getting that work done, man, make sure you get your boy Hellcat Slick. I will do the work. I will put the brakes on there for you and charge you a fee less than Dodge. If they charge you $9, I'll charge you. Hey, you get at me. I'll charge you. Then the next thing, outside of the brakes, the ABS module. So, ABS module is like 9 something or whatever, right? I'm gonna show y'all what an ABS module is even at. First off, let me find out what my hood at. If I'm not crazy, that module sits right here. If I'm not crazy. It do. Bro, this is the module right here. I don't know how to take that joint off. This car a little hot too, so bear with me on that. This is where they got my lights tucked in at. I hope them hoes don't catch on fire or anything, bro. Well, y'all got these joints dipped in there like that. But let me see. What I want to do, I just want to shake it a little bit, you know. Maybe it got a little loose or whatever, but that's pretty much the dealio, bro. That's the module. I don't know how, like I said, he told me about 9 something. I might can find one less than that. He said if you don't know what you're doing on it, don't fool with it. I'm just trying to see it before I fool with it. And I don't see it, I'm really not gonna fool with it. But that, man, that's gonna be the end for this video, man. I got my Hellcat back. Obviously, y'all can see that, man. I done showed y'all where the module at and everything. So this is your module underneath these chargers, in case you didn't know that. So it's the opposite end of your cold intake, obviously, bro. So take that cover off. If your module ever go out, I might fool around with. I'm gonna come out and take it off. Might fool around with it, see how it goes. Well, anyways, man, so that's a wrap for this video, man. If you like what you saw in this video, man, please don't be scared to subscribe to the channel. Don't be scared, because I seen on my YouTube how many people actually, I got all these subscribers. 97% of y'all who watch my channel are not subscribed to the channel. So let's try something different. Hey man, if y'all like what y'all see, don't subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment saying that you didn't subscribe to the channel. And like this video, obviously, man. But your boy Hellcat Slick, man. I'm out of here. We back on the scene till the next video. Stay blessed. Your boy gonna get back at you. Like I said, if you want to run me, tell your lady contact me, because I probably won't respond to your DMs. But on the real, I'm out of here. I'm out at y'all later.